Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So what we're going to be doing today is a beginner's guide to skincare. So if you haven't seen my last video, which was a beginner's guide to makeup, I'm going to link that just above so you can head on over and go and watch that. Now if you are new here, please hit that like and subscribe button, and if you have come back and continue to watch me, then welcome back. So for those who don't know me, I am Beth, and I've just got an absolute passion for makeup and skincare, which I just want to sort of tell on to you guys and show you sort of what I do to help my skin and what sort of makeup I do. So if you've got any comments, suggestions, video suggestions, then just comment them down below and I can get to it and make a video on that. If you want me to recreate this look, then please let me know down in the comments so I can get to it and I can do that video as my next video for you guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to the bathroom and we're going to do a face wash over there. So without further ado, let's get to it. So we are now currently in the bathroom where here I'm going to be doing a face wash cleanser. So this will help get rid of all the makeup that's on the face. And this one that I've got is the Tea Tree Fit Skin Clear and Foaming Cleanser, and this one is from The Body Shop. So as you can see, it's quite a big bottle really. And it's suitable for blemished skin, so this has really helped taking down my redness on my skin. So all you do is, it is a foam cleanser. You wet your face and then you pop some onto your hands, rub it all in, but you just don't pop this one in your eyes. I've got other stuff for that, so I will show you that in a moment. So first off, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to wet my face. So I've now wet my face and I'm just doing 4 pumps onto this, and I'm literally just going to rub it all into my face like this. And then rinse off. And there we go. So now what we're going to do is we're going to head on back now that we've cleansed the face initially, and we're just going to go and have a chat and go and finish cleansing our face and getting rid of the makeup. So we'll see you over there. And so we're back. So that cleanser, it will help break down anything that you've got initially on your face. So it is a cleanser, but it is also a face wash. So if you're in the shower or you're washing your face just before you go to bed, then just use that and it will help just break down any oils that are currently on your face. Now what we've got to do is we've got to get rid of this eye makeup. So what we've got is we have got the Camomile, the Body Shop Camomile eye makeup remover, and this is really gentle on the skin. So you get yourself a cotton pad, you wet them with the cleanser, and all you do is you just pop them on the eyes and then you wipe, and just from leaving it on there you've got so much already off the face. So then you're just wiping it off like so. You just do the exact same on the other eye, but you don't want to rub the eye really harshly. You just want to rub it so gently because the skin around your eyes are really delicate. So once we've done the eye makeup cleanser, we're going to then want to move on to a second cleanser for our face. This will help get rid of anything that's left on the face. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to be using the Vitamin E cleanser, which looks just like that. Mine's a little bit battered and bruised because I've used so much of it. It is my favourite cleanser of all time. As you can see, I've got a lot of Body Shop skincare. So we're going to take another cotton round from this. Now these cotton rounds you can just literally get from Home Bargains, B&M, your local pound shop basically, and you're just going to pop some onto the face all over. Now some people might not use this, but this is what I choose to use just because the Vitamin E range that the Body Shop have is really good for all types of skincare, all types of skin ranges. So even if you've got sensitive skin, it's good for sensitive skin, it's good for hydrating, and this just helps sort out any kind of dry patches that I've got on my skin. And as you can see, that's just pulled off quite a bit of dirt that I thought weren't on my face. So once you've done all that, and you've used that, which as it says there, it is for all skin types, it is hydrating, I'm then going to go in and tone. So I've double cleansed, which is really good for picking up anything that is left on your face. 2 different types of cleansers, one for my blemishes and one for hydration. I'm then going to go in with the vitamin E toner, which again is from the Body Shop, which is just my absolute favourite, and it's something that I really enjoy using. I didn't actually think I needed a toner until I started using it. It's one of them where it'll help close all of those pores, it'll help refresh your face. And this one is kind of like, it says it's an oil, but it's not. It's a kind of, it's a very watery substance, so it just glides on the face like an absolute dream. But again, this is hydrating, but it does tone the face. So don't forget to do the neck, because your neck is really important. And don't drop the pad like I've just done. But don't forget your neck, because the neck is really important for doing this. So you want to take everything all over, including the nose, under the eyes. So once we've toned, I then like to do a skin peel. The one I use is the Vitamin C Glow Revealing Liquid Peel, and it looks just like this. So I'm just going to go in with 2 pumps, and that will be enough to go all over my face. And I will just go in and I will just rub it all around, making sure that I haven't got any dead skin cells that are trying to escape from me. This will help make sure that my skin doesn't have any dry patches. So as you can see, it is starting to form. Now I haven't done the skin peel for a couple of days now, but it is something that I would normally do 2 to 3 times a week. I will not do this every single day. So you're just rubbing it all in, making sure that you get every patch of your skin on your face, down your neck. Now this one you can do on your mouth, but obviously don't ingest it like I almost did there. You just don't want to ingest it. 1, it doesn't taste very nice, and 2, it probably isn't good for you to eat, even if it does say vitamin C on it. So you're going to take yourself a nice wet flannel, and you're just going to go over your face to get rid of all that dead skin peel. Over your mouth, from down your neck, and just get rid of all that dead skin peel. Now at the moment the Body Shop range is only available in the UK and the USA. You will have to find yourself a consultant. Now of course I am a consultant myself, but I just like using the products anyway, even if I don't sell them. So it is one of them where I just enjoy using them. So I will then get myself just a basic towel and literally just towel dry my face. You don't want to rub your face, just because then you're going to cause yourself a flare up and it's going to become sensitive. So once we've done all that, so I will either go in with a peel or a mask, and usually the mask that I use is the Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask. So I'll usually go in with something like this, or I will go in with the coffee mask, which I've got a little tub at the moment, but it looks just like this. So I don't know if you can see that. My camera's not focusing very well. So I will go in with that. I will again do that 2 to 3 times a week. The peel I'll do 2 to 3 times a week, and then I'll have a day where I will not do anything like that. I will just cleanse and tone my skin. Once I've done that, I will then go in with an environmental protector. Now this will help sort out any pollution that hits my skin. It'll stop my skin from flaring up too much. It's soothing, it's calming, and this is the Drops of Youth concentrate. So it looks just like this. It's a little green bottle. So you want to add 2 drops to your fingers, to your fingertips, and you're just going to rub it in like this. Now I dab it all over my face before I then go to rub it in, and this I will just rub in. I will take it underneath my eyes, but really gently, and I'll take it all over my face. I'm then going to take myself a moisturiser. Now I have 2 that I use at the moment, so either I use the Vitamin E Body Shop one, or I use the Younique night cream. So they both look like this. They're both very different. One's a lot thicker in consistency, but I will use either one of them, and tonight I'm just going to go in with the Vitamin E range. I'm going to keep on with the hydration of the Vitamin E. So tonight I have decided I'm going to go in with the vitamin E range, keep up with the vitamin E range of the hydration. So you will usually see this in pretty much every single one of my videos before I apply my makeup, after I've done my skincare. This will usually be my last step before I go any further and do anything else in the day. So we'll pop some all over everywhere. Once I've done that, I will then literally just go ahead and apply some lip balm. So I'm at the moment using a Derma Intensive Original. That's all I'm using. You can get these in your local Tesco. And I use this every single day. Before I apply any makeup as well. So I will use the moisturiser and the lip balm before I apply any makeup, and then all I'm going to go in finally and use is a lash serum. Now the lash serum for me has really helped elongate my lashes. Now the lash serum is from Younique, and I found it has really helped, as I've said, with elongating my lashes, protecting my lashes, and just giving me that little bit of a lash boost that I need. So all I'll do is, it comes like this. All I will do is I will just apply a thin layer over the top of my lashes. Again, looking in the mirror behind, unfortunately. And you apply this over the top because if you get it in your eyes, it will sting. And it will sting quite a lot, but it is so good. And everybody I know that has used it has had positive effects from it. So I will pop it on both sets of lashes, top and bottom, all over, making sure there's a nice even coat on each, almost like you're applying a mascara. And then what I do when it's left is I apply a little bit to my brows. So that is it. That is my skincare done. Cleanse, tone and moisturise. They are my top tips. So if you need any skincare, then get to your local stores, go and get yourself the start of a new skincare range and start looking after your skin. I hope this has been a bit more informative and helped a little bit with if you are new to skincare or if you are new to starting to look after your skin. So I would suggest definitely get yourself a new moisturiser, definitely get yourself a cleanser, get yourself a toner. You will notice a difference when your makeup's going on your face, or you'll notice that your skin's looking more dewy and it's looking really refreshed and it's looking really, really good and glowy. So get yourself some new skincare. Of course, if you've got a skincare that's not working, get yourself a new one, a different one that will work for you. So that is it. We are wrapping it up for today. Thank you everyone for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful evening. And if you haven't already hit that like and subscribe button, please do. And any comments or anything like that, please hit it down below so I can read them and look at them, and I will reply to them. So have a wonderful day, and I will see you on my next video.